Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore phantom drain using SOC logs and OBD data. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore a phantom drain using SOC logs and OBD data, start by gathering your OBD2 scanner and connect the OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Launch the OBD2 scanning software on your device. Select the appropriate vehicle model in the software for accurate data extraction. Navigate to the SOC logs section within the software. Begin the data retrieval process and wait for it to complete. Once the data is downloaded, export the SOC logs to your computer for analysis. Review the SOC logs for any irregularities in the battery state of charge over time. Look for patterns in the logs that may indicate unusual power consumption while the vehicle is off. Next, turn your attention to the OBD data. Access live data streams from the OBD2 scanner. Monitor parameters such as voltage, current draw, and fault codes. Take note of any continuous current draw that exceeds normal limits. Document any fault codes that may be present. If you find discrepancies, check specific modules that may be responsible for parasitic draws. Common culprits include the infotainment system, body control module, and auxiliary components. Disconnect suspicious modules one at a time and retest the SOC and OBD data. After disconnecting a module, monitor the vehicle for any changes in power drain. Continue this process until you identify the source of the phantom drain. Once identified, determine if the issue is due to a faulty part or a software glitch. If it's a software glitch, check for available updates for the affected module. If a part is faulty, consider replacement or repair. After resolving the issue, reconnect all modules and clear any fault codes using the OBD2 scanner. Recheck the SOC logs for improvements in battery performance. Finally, perform a battery test to ensure it's holding charge properly. This process will help you successfully restore your vehicle's electrical health and eliminate phantom drain issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.